Welcome back to this series where I rebuild and make this more awesome Losi 5T into something amazing. It really is amazing, but like, hey, look, I've got adult money and I love to spend it. I have just finished putting in the back end. I hope you like it. I'll see you at the end of this episode. I'm so sorry that you've had to witness me again in this series wearing my banana boxer shorts in this build. I'm sorry, but not sorry, because like these need to be mandatory when you're actually RC building, is either wear these banana boxer shorts or boxer shorts in general. Boxer shorts aren't sponsoring this clip, but I need you to be aware that this needs to be part of the hobby in general. So yeah, I'm gonna go now. Okay, now that was a bit of a mission. To be honest with you, even though that it is a bit of a mission, this is actually a lot easier for me to, well, this vehicle is a lot easier for me to maintain and work on than all my other, like the DBXL and the 5Bs that I've got. So a lot more room. I have actually, just like as you could tell, I finished updating the back end of this. Let me know in the comments if I've missed anything or if I should be looking out for some things. Like, again, this is my first 5T rebuild. Didn't actually really need to be rebuilt, but I want to put all alloy parts, bits and pieces onto it. So this is the end result. As you can tell, all alloy bits. If you haven't done so already, like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff. I've got videos, watch the first episode if you haven't done so, where I rebuild the front end, and also too, I've put in a new, I would say, speed gearing, new clutch bell and stuff like that in the first episode. So yes, stay tuned. I've got some more bits and pieces to go onto this beautiful machine, and I hope you like the series so far. Like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff. It really helps me out, and to be honest with you, it keeps me motivated in my newest obsession, which is the 5th scale RCs, and I love it. So yes, like, subscribe, do all that fun YouTube stuff, and I'll see you beautiful bastards next week.